Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is April the 18th. We are out here in Cummings, Georgia. Not deep Cummings, more like the part by Buford. Because after this, when we get the finish down, we got to go to Buford and do a consultation that was referred to me. So this is my client, Tiffany. I came out 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. And again, guys, I really don't have to, how can I say? I don't really have to be pushy. I never like to be pushy anyway, or sales. A lot of my clients, they see what I do. They follow me. So like the client that we did yesterday in Mableton, they have been following me for over a year. And Miss Tiffany actually said, Courtney, I've been following you on Facebook for over a year. And we knew when we decided to get this done, we know who to call. So I came out here, did a consultation. It's a little bit over 1,000. It's actually 1,067 square feet. They're going with the screen recoat and UV cure. Got all the furniture moved out the way. And like I said, after this, I have a consultation to do in Buford. There was a referral, and then I actually picked up 2 more referrals today. I want to do consultations, one tomorrow because I have a job to do for a repeat client tomorrow in Roswell, and then also the other one booked for Tuesday before we go to Jefferson, guys. So let me flip this around and show you what we're doing on this beautiful day, guys. So we are in Cumming, Georgia. One of my, I call Cumming one of my hot spots. I do a lot of jobs in Cumming. So again, today is April the 18th. So let's go look at these floors that we are about to bring back to life with our world famous screen and recoat and UV cure. So guys, we're going to be doing this floor right here. Coming to the front door, this dining room. They got new carpet. A lot of people are, starting to fix their houses up. So starting to get a lot of, this is the time we do a lot of move-ins and move-outs. People are selling, people are buying. This living room, they're also going with a satin finish. So I'm gonna kind of zoom in right there. A lot of wear. See how it's just worn out. Really a lot of surface marks, a lot of scratches. Then we're gonna come over here from the living room, going to the dining room. So Tavares is setting up. Got some color correction to do, not much. High traffic area. Then we got this kitchen area, okay? And then leading into this laundry room. So what we're gonna do, start here. I think we got a poly room right here too as well, yep. Work ourselves back. Oh guys, check out this backyard, by the way. Look at that, Tavares. Look at that. Look at that nice creek. That is beautiful. I'll get me a little chair and just go down there and just, because when I came here to do the consultation, you can actually hear the water moving. All right, guys, well, we're going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, got that first coat going down. Look at how I brought that color back out. I actually did some color correction up in here, up in there, in front of that kitchen sink. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good, guys. All right, go ahead and get the first coat down, and then we're gonna get the rag coat. Stay tuned. All right, guys. I want to let my client Tiffany take a look at her floors, how it's coming out doing the first coat. These floors are looking amazing. Come look at this.
That looks like a brand new floor.
Like a brand.
It looks brand new.
But I will say this. I don't like to say that. I let the client say that, but that definitely looks good.
It does look brand new.
Remember all that missing color that was right here? Yep. So this
That's
is.
incredible.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you. And one thing I do appreciate you, Tiffany, because I was actually talking about this in one of my Facebook groups, is me, honestly, as a consumer, but we're all consumers, I don't like to be sold. But one thing I will say, I was telling them some of the best things you can do to sell people without selling them is content. Because you've been following me, you said, for like over a year.
Yeah.
So you see,
we've been thinking of doing this for a really long time.
Yep.
So.
And that's what people say. And they'll say, well, Courtney, they see the videos, they get engaged, and they say, you know what? If I ever decide to get that done, or if I ever need that done,
Yeah.
the 2 ways they remember me, either from the videos or either Truman or Courtney.
Right.
It's 2 ways. How did you remember me?
Truman.
Truman, yeah. Yeah, people say Truman. As long as I can remember Truman. All right, well, I just wanted you to see this. So we're gonna go ahead and get the first coat down, then let that dry, and then get the rag coat,
Okay.
let that dry, and then do the UV cure.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys. Rag coat is going down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the rag coat down. Then we're gonna go do a consultation in Beaufort for one of my clients referred me to their neighbor and want his floor screen recoated. And we're gonna go grab some lunch. Then we're gonna come back, UV cure it. Another happy client. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yeah. Put it by the front door. In fact, let me take a picture with it right quick. All right, guys, I just got back. These floors look amazing. So I actually went and did a consultation. It's gonna be another screen recoat with UV cure. He's moving in. And I just want, come on up, Tiffany, you can walk on it. So I want Tiffany to look at it. Man, these floors look great, guys. Now, I want you to feel, you might kind of feel it through your feet, but if you walk over here, I've already UV cured this over here, so you can actually feel the difference. And if you walk over here, see how it's kind of like, it's like really smooth, but when it gets over here, it gets kind of, because it's not cured yet. So that's what the machine does. But you probably seen this in my videos. Yes, okay. Oh man, guys, this floor came out great.
My mother-in-law is so excited to see it.
She is? Has she seen it yet?
She hasn't.
Wow.
I told her go post the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we didn't think it could look this good.
What? All right. Okay. So it actually exceeded your expectations.
Well, because, when you're watching YouTube videos of DIYers,
Yep.
and models, people move in and immediately like, we have to tear this out, we have to tear this out, we have to gut it, we have to redo everything.
Yep.
And without the proper research, you don't know that it just needs a little TLC.
That's all. And
And this is gonna go for forever.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah, come over here, look at the kitchen area. Well, it was really warm. So guys, I don't know if you remember all that. Yeah, it was really bad right here. And then look over here. Look over here, Tiffany.
Oh wow. That was all like water damage
Yep.
and stuff.
Yep. So I did a color correction, and that looks amazing. All right, guys. Well, again, Tiffany says she's been following me for over a year. Was it on YouTube, Facebook, or just both?
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay, awesome.
Found your website first and then it directed me.
To my YouTube. That's what I like. All right, guys. Well, I am going to finish UV curing this floor, and I'll just let you guys take a look at it. Man, this looks so good.
There were even like big marks from my skin
Yeah.
here.
Yep.
And I wasn't expecting those to come out either.
Wow.
I was like, that's pretty deep.
Yep.
And that's probably not gonna come out.
And I don't even
and they're
remember.
probably still kind of there, but you can't
Can't
tell.
even tell.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh God, this is beautiful. Beautiful. But thank you again, Tiffany. I greatly appreciate it.
Thank you.
And you hear it, guys. Sometimes, man, your floors don't need to be a full sanded. All they need is a good TLC, a good screen and recoat. And also with the UV cure, it's just the icing on the cake. And yep.
It's really good.
Thank you. I'll tell you guys, I love that satin finish, man. It's not, that's one thing Tiffany told me when I asked her what she said, I don't want it too shiny and I don't want it too flat. Flat is gonna be more like your matte. Shiny is gonna be semi-gloss. You do have gloss, I do not do gloss. I stop at semi-gloss, but satin is the most popular sheen. As you guys can see, it's not too shiny and it's not too flat, and it gives the floors some great protection. You know you did a good job when the customer starts recording. All right, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, well, tomorrow I'm going to be in Roswell. Miss Terry, I did her floors maybe a month ago, and she was so happy. She has me coming back doing the stairs. She has like 32 stairs. So that's what I got planned tomorrow, and also a consultation. And then I'm working next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Monday, we have a Screen Recoat UV Cure in Roswell. Tuesday, we have a 1,900 square feet Screen Recoat with no UV Cure in, I think, Beaufort. I never did a consultation for that one. He just booked from pictures. And then Wednesday, we have a Screen Recoat UV Cure, and I'll be off for the rest of the week. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.